Would you look at that? What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making a family fave, chicken bacon ranch melts. As you can see, I got the bacon going. Shit splattered and got me on the neck. Oh, that's gonna leave a mark. Now I gotta tell the wife, like, yeah, bacon popped me on the neck. Think bacon gonna save me from this one? Yes, sir. I'm gonna make one of the most delicious sandwiches I've ever had in my life. I'm gonna show you how to make the best ranch in the world, right in your own kitchen. I'll have exact ingredients and directions in the link below. All right, now that I got this bacon up and unhook this griddle, don't need you anymore, bro. Put him over there. Let's get my workstation together and I'll be right back. Like I said, this is a quick dinner meal right here. Chicken bacon ranch melt. Normally, I would marinate this chicken overnight or at least a couple hours, but I didn't have the time today, so I'm just going to season the chicken with this already seasoned blend. Not everything though, because the rest of that is going to go into the flour mixture. For this, all you need is 2 cups of flour. Barely even that, shoot. Half cup of cornstarch. Gonna put your reserve seasonings in here. You're gonna mix it up. Let me get started on this next step. Now this next step here, let me watch this. Show you how to make some crispy fried chicken right here. Yeah, I had to pull the mixer out on y'all. We're gonna need like 4 or 5 egg whites. Ooh. Do one more. So we gonna roll with 5 egg whites. It's cool. Let's pull them out. Alright, now we're gonna beat the eggs till they get nice and foamy. Alright, next thing we are going to do is get this chicken coated up. So we have our flour mixture right here that we mixed earlier. We have our egg batter, our egg mixture that we mixed up earlier here. You see it's still foamy. First thing we're gonna wanna do is coat the chicken in flour. Oops. I'm gonna give it a quick shake. All right, should be enough. Make sure it's coated both sides. And we're gonna throw it to our egg mixture. Make sure it's coated with this egg, nice and foamy. Get all this foam on this chicken. Make sure it's all on there. Cause we're gonna need this next coat of flour to stick. Throw him right back in the flour. I'll give him another shake. Make sure he's coated good. Yeah, there we go. Throw it right in his groove. Yeah. Alright, now that this chicken is in this grease, we're gonna cook them for about 7-8 minutes or until done. I promise you this is gonna be some of the best ranch dressing you've ever had in your life. We're gonna go equal parts 1 cup sour cream, 1 cup mayo, 1 cup buttermilk. Alright, we're gonna add like all these chives in here. This is gonna be so herbaceous. So herby. Of course, you know we need the dill. We'll use 1 whole lemon. I'm gonna add 4 cloves of garlic. A little salt and pepper. Splash of Cajun seasoning. We're gonna give it a mix. All right, now it's time to build this thing. We're gonna slather it on a little bit of the ranch first. Put this nice golden brown chicken breast on next. Now we're gonna add this thick cut bacon. And a little pepper jack cheese. Gonna throw this right in my air fryer. Yes, I said air fryer. Gonna melt this right on down. Wow. I opened the door to my air fryer and it smells so good. Oh my God, yes, this is exactly what I was looking for. Yeah, let's see it. Turn this air fryer off. Oh my God. So we got the chicken, the bacon, the ranch, and now the melt. Add some lettuce for some crunch, nice iceberg lettuce. I'll get this extra lettuce. Add some tomato. A nice, another heap of ranch on top. And boom. Can't sit here and tell me that doesn't look like one of the best sandwiches you've ever seen in your life. We got the homemade ranch, the chicken, the bacon, the pepper jack cheese, lettuce, tomato, all in between this nice toasted brioche bun. Now it's time for this good old taste test. I mean, I'm quite sure it's delicious. Ain't need no taste test. I'll make this all the time. Flipping over on the side with the most ranch on it. Might have to add some more ranch. I need mine. I like mine wet, dripping, sloppy, falling apart. All that. You see that? Whew. This is it right here. The homemade ranch set this off. Got the perfectly seasoned, perfectly cooked, juicy chicken breast. This peppered bacon is giving it so much flavor. The pepper jack cheese got a little kick to it. But this ranch, man, you can dip anything in this ranch and it tastes good. Throw a little extra ranch on top. You know how I do it. Mmm. 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 There we have it, folks. Chicken, bacon, ranch, milk. One of the best things you can ever make. It will not take a lot of time. Like I said, my whole family loves it. It's a family favorite. Yeah. House-made ranch is the easiest thing ever. Tastes way better than store-bought. Stays in the refrigerator for about 2 weeks. Yeah. About to kill this off. Remember, if you like this video, smash that like button. Subscribe to my channel, please. And there'll be more stuff like this. I promise you. Things are looking good. We have the chicken, bacon, ranch milk.